Ahoy YouTube! We're going to take the Fountain 24 out for its first test boat drive. That. If you're new to the channel, my name is Captain Dan. That is my first mate, Adam. Ardum. Ardum. And today, like I said, we're going to take the Fountain 24 out for its first test around the lake since we've bought it. So we bought it yesterday, kind of been looking over some stuff. Got a bunch of parts already for it that we're gonna have to fix up on it. But we just kind of want to get out there and see what it can do and get a better feel for the boat. And of course, get used to launching it and recovering it. So we're gonna go take it out and hopefully we don't screw up too badly and crash it or anything like that. So wish us luck, but here we go. Let's go hit the lake. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Pretty nice, huh? We're only going 20. Oh, shit. So we can't go any further past the dam, obviously.
That was that attitude.
No, it is actually the other way. Holy shit. It's around the corner.
Oh, we have to go the other way? That way?
Yeah. So, yeah, see, we're all the way around here.
Oh.
Oops. Some waves. seen the 360 bridge from this perspective. It's kind of cool. It does, but this is for the engine. These are the trim tabs.
Okay, got it.
The two little blades. Okay, got it. Oh. Well, it didn't plane out yet, so they'll probably have a hard time.
I thought that's what it was.
Yeah, you gotta kind of wait for it to kind of get over that hump.
Oh, okay, so it will come back down before I trim out again?
Like, as soon as it kind of crests that hump, then you start raising it, because it's so slow. There you go. That's good.
It's both more responsive than I thought it would be and not as responsive
trailer in, you want it to be slightly past where the fenders are underwater.
Okay.
That way. I think, well, we'll see. You might be too deep, we'll see. That might be okay. It's leaking? Oh yeah, I can see the air bubbles. Well, those are getting replaced anyway.
Jumping up and down. I was jumping up and down.
Hold on. Hold on, stop. Gotta go back. Just a little. Go forward. Got it. Let me tell you, so it's about 93, 95 degrees and it's 50+% humidity. It is so hot. I mean, it's just miserable hot. But I think we had a good time. I don't know. What do you think, Adam?
It was a good time. Good pillaging, plundering.
Oh yeah, that's right. You're arr. Well, we did stop and get food. So that was one thing that's kind of cool about the boat. You can go to these places that are along the lakes to have like boat food. And so we got some burgers and beer. That was pretty sweet. And it was good food.
Yeah, it was actually
ski shores.
good.
Successfully launched it and recovered it without incident. So
we didn't embarrass ourselves.
Yeah, we didn't look like total idiots. It was actually pretty decent.
Well,
so.
we might.
Well, we did have. I did wear a captain's hat. We were sitting there at the restaurant wearing these hats, and a guy walks by and goes, "Oi, matey," or something like that. Or ahoy.
Yeah,
he said ahoy. Yeah, it's been pretty fun. I will say it is the best, worst decision I've made ever so far. So we're gonna do some fun stuff with it. We gotta do an oil change. We gotta do a lot of paint work and some other work. What are you eating, Mo? Mo, what are you eating? So let me know in the comments below. Do you want to see more boat stuff, or is it just supercar only?
Captain, if you can hear me, honk your horn!
In which case everyone's like supercars, except Porsches aren't supercars, but they're supercars.
Hey.
We want to see those too.
Hey, pipe down.
And it's going to be DIY, so we are going to do some work on it. So anyway, we will bring that to you whether or not you want it, because too bad. I want to do it, so there we go. It's going to be on this channel. If you haven't already, go check out normalguysupercar.com. We really do appreciate when you guys do that, because that literally supports us. So this is our job. I know it's...
Surprisingly.
I know. He was joking about that today. He was like, we're getting paid to do... Well, you're not really getting paid, but we're doing this for a living.
I left $1 billion company to go do this.
Yeah, terrible mistake.
I know.
Hey, I messed up on the boat, but I mean,
Of
course, I already screwed up on my career. Anyway, go check out normalguysupercar.com. Use the code NGS10. It takes off 10%, and we do appreciate when you guys do that. We're gonna have lots more cool stuff coming your way.
It's going to be sweet.
You want to stay tuned.
Oh, wow, I messed it up.
It's gonna be sweet.
Yeah.